Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Sibongile and the Dlaminis on Monday, Sibongile is shattered when Vuma forbids her from taking money from the Dlaminis. Samke's effort to threaten Kuzwayo takes a turn. The helpers take matters into their own hands. On Tuesday, Kwenzo prepares to move to Iklobo. Meanwhile, Njengaya announces plans to reopen a magazine factory. Samke struggles to get through to Zuma about Sibongile accepting the money from the Dlaminis. On Wednesday, Njengaya announces the reopening of the magazine factory. Vusi tries to use money to get a second chance with Gcina when Zeni's podcast is discovered. Thank you for watching.